Hi, good afternoon to Salim. Now I want to present for subject dju51042 air conditioning and refrigeration control system. The title's presentation is motor control. For this slide, displaying the names of our group members. This slide shows a list of content. First is DOL starter, the second is star delta, and last is auto transformer. Good afternoon, my name is Muhammad Amirul Akmal bin Muhammad Zaidi. My metric number is 01dju51042. Now, I want to present about DOL starter. A direct online starter, often abbreviated DOL starter, is a widely used starting method of electric motors. The term is used in electrical engineering and associated with electric motors. There are many types of motor starters, the simplest of which is the DOL starter. A motor starter is an electrical or electronic circuit composed of electromechanical and electronic devices which are employed to start and stop an electric motor. Regardless of the motor types, AC or DC, the types of starters differ depending on the method of starting the motor. A DOL starter connects the motor terminals directly to the power supply. Hence, the motor is subjected to the full voltage of the power supply. Consequently, high starting currents flows through the motor. These types of starting is suitable for small motors below 5 HP, which is 3.75 kilowatt. Reduced voltage starters are employed with motors above 5 HP. Although DOL motor starters are available for motors less than 150 kilowatt on 400 volt and for motors less than 1 MW on 6.6 kV. Supply reliability on reserve power generation detects the use of reduced voltage or not. A very well-known motor starter is the DOL starter of a 3-phase squirrel cage motor. This starter is sometimes used to start water pumps, compressors, fans, and conveyor belt. With a 400 volt, 50 Hz 3-phase supply, the power circuit connects the motor to 400 volt. Consequently, the starting current may reach 3 to 8 times the normal current. The circuit control circuit is typical run at 24 volt with the aid of a 400 volt or 24 volt transformer. That's all about DOL starter. Now, I want to pass the next explanation to our member group. So, thank you.
This is a starting method that reduces the starting current and starting torque. The component normally consists of 3 contactors, an overload, relay and a timer for setting the time in the start position. The motor must be delta connect during a normal run in order to be able to use this starting method. The received starting current is about 30% of the starting current during direct online start, and the starting torque is reduced to about 25% of the torque available at a DOL starter. This starting method only works when the application is light loaded during the start. If the motor too heavily loaded, there will not be enough torque to accelerate the motor up to speed before switching over the delta position. When starting up, the load torque is low at the beginning of the start and increase with the square of the speed. When reaching approximately 80 to 85% of the motor rated speed, the load torque is equal to the motor torque and the acceleration ceases. To reach the rated speed, a switch over to delta position is necessary, and this will very often result in high transmission and current peaks. In some cases, the current peaks can reach a value that even bigger than for a DOR start. Application with a load torque higher 50% of the motor rated torque will not be able to start using the star delta starter.
Thanks to Hakimi. So next I want to present about auto transformer. This is another starting method that reduce the starting current and starting torque, but contrary to star data. Starting where this starting method needs 3 wires and 3 terminals on the motor. Auto transformer are generally equipped with taps at each phase in order to adapt the starting parameters to the application starting requirement. So this paragraph is auto transformer control circuit. That's all from me. Thank you.